So I thought we'd go over a couple of the finer points of insulation when mounting the Electroculture antennas, just for everyone's information and for ease of installation. Here's one of the main points here. This is a mast-to-mast mount that's going to go up on the pole. But before I mount it, I just wanted to show everyone where I insulate there, where the antenna body would make contact with the mount. That's just so we prevent bleed off of the system and that our current continues to go down into the conductor, around the conductor, and into the ground. So that's one critical point, and now we'll go look at another point on a mounted system. So we have our point of insulation here at the mount, where the body meets the mount, and then we use an insulated wire to connect to the coupler. So this insulated wire isn't touching the pole, whether it's wood or metal. Then this wire is traversing down in the interior of this pole in this case, exiting here, and then coupling with the bare wire. And it's nice to insulate this point and protect this point so that you can weed eat around it or trim around it or mow and keep your area clear around your antenna system. And then after this point, the wire is bare galvanized 12 gauge. So that's just a look at the points that are critical to insulate. You want to insulate where the antenna body meets the mount. You want to insulate your conductor against your pole or post. And then you want to insulate right above the ground so you don't have like animals, people, machines, grass, things touching, bleeding off your system. And then bare wire in the ground to induce the voltage around it into the soil. So those are just the key points of insulation when mounting these antenna systems. Lots of love.